On my sixth video presentation, I'm going to talk about a very interesting part of the calculator, and that is called what the symbol all about. It is called root. Well, what is that? If we go for 4 into 4, we get the value 16. So if we want to just undo this exponent, we get the value 4. So this check mark symbol or the square root symbol, or even you can call it as a radical symbol, is what we are dealing with now. By the way, the first important thing that struck my mind is, how did I embed this radical symbol as a caption on the button? A point to be taken note of. You need to think about it. Well, the next important thing is that if I go farther radical, I get the value 2. If I go one more time, I get a long series of number. So let me check out over here. Root of 2 will give me exactly the same number. Only thing is that I have taken 9 place after this precision. Okay, that's very important. How about this one? If I remove one number individually, you get to see the deletion taking place very smoothly. And if I go for under root of 1, I will be getting it's 1 exactly. So let me do it once over here. Square root of 1 is the 1 itself. And this is where I was struck for a long span of time, let me tell you very frankly, because when I was going for a root of like 5, it's getting, oh, it is 15. So even then, even this case also, it gives me a floating point representation. But when we switch over to a number like 4, you get a whole number. If you, or even if you go for, sorry, this one, go for a 1, you get to see a whole number. You have to strike off the floating point, and that is where something I was struck with. So this is the second thing you need to take care about, that how do you check whether a number is, just a minute, whether a number is integer or whether a number is a floating point. And for me to resolve this, I made the use of regular expression. Yes, that's what you learn in automata even. With the help of regular expression, I determined whether the number is a floating point or integer, and accordingly I adjusted my set precision format, and accordingly you can say this. So if it is 3, 16, radical would be 4, again radical will be 4, again radical will be following, but if I go for 1, the radical will be 1. So 2 tasks I have given. How would you embed the radical symbol over the button, and second, how do you make use of regular expression to go for the confirmation of whether it's integer or floating point. Let's meet in the next video with the percentage. Have a nice time.